Hi, I'm Hope, and here we are captivating a godly home inside and out through Christ Jesus. I hope you enjoy the channel. Welcome, and I hope you have a blessed day. Hey y'all, so I did a Aldi haul and I also did a Food Line haul, which should be here any minute. And I did priority because I wanted to make them tacos. Today is Saturday. Today is going by fast. We slept in today. Going by super fast, but that probably my last day of sleeping in for a while because we got church tomorrow, and then Messiah has camp for 2 weeks, and then I can't think of what's after that. So anyway, y'all, let me show you what I got from Aldi. I did go to Walmart yesterday. There's a few things right there I want to show you. And then when Food Line comes, I'll show you that. So I was in here eating something, and I was getting on them. So I got them some cereal, some marshmallows and stars, some fruit rounds. Trying to make sure I'm zoomed all the way out. Some fruit rounds and some cinnamon crunch squares. I think it's some milk already in there, but I did get a half a gallon. Probably should have got a full gallon. A half a gallon. Yeah, because we went to go see Superman, y'all, and it was really good. And we stopped by Walmart on the way home, and I got a few things. And I forgot, I got some Yasso bars yesterday and some Fat Boy ice cream sandwiches. And then I also got them some of the strawberry sugar-free syrup. And then I wanted some of these juices. So I know that people mention the cherry drink. I think this is the one, or just cherry, or it has to maybe be organic. I don't know. But I know the cherry juice, if you have a cup of that, it'll make you sleepy. I heard that was. So I just went ahead and picked it up because I was really wanting some apple juice and some pineapple juice. So I was watching Maya Graves' video, and she was talking about her smoothie that she makes after her workout. And I've been walking every day, y'all, and I feel so much better because I was just, I don't know, it's hormonal issues. I don't know what in the world. And so I've been walking every day and feeling so much better. And I got one of those shake plates. I don't even know if that's what you call it, but you get on it and it shakes you or whatever from TikTok. And I just been sleeping so much better and feeling so much better and walking at least 30 minutes. Usually I go over 30 minutes a day. I haven't walked today, but I will. And I've been feeling so much better. And I kind of took a break from the gig work. I'm going back out there. But it kind of made me a little nervous when we was having all these flash floods in the area. And then, you know, I didn't want to roll up on that because I have been out there in the pouring down rain. I didn't want to roll up on that, and I won't feeling the best, and it's hot. So anyway, I was watching her video, and she had some simple, I'll put the video down below, what you eat, what she eats in a day or something. And I kind of don't want to take out some things out of my diet, but I want to eat a natural diet, if that makes sense, and learn how to eat sensibly. Yeah. So I like her approach, because usually when you start taking stuff out of your diet or whatever, and you don't learn how to eat, then that weight comes right back on, because that doesn't happen to me so many different times. So that's what I kind of want to stick with. So anyway, she said mango chunks in that smoothie, some protein powder, which I did order, some Vega protein powder. I love that protein powder. I used to have it all the time after my surgery, the sleeve years ago, and I haven't purchased any. I used to get it from Target, but you can get it from Amazon. So that's coming tomorrow. It was going to come today, but I waited too long to order. So protein powder, mango chunks, and pineapple chunks. I knew Aldi sold this separately, but I didn't, because I know they have the blend. And I have the blend, but I just said, let me go check while I was ordering the other stuff for tacos, and they did. So back to Walmart. She had this same organic pineapple juice. I didn't see the organic apple juice. I might have to go to Harris Teeter or Publix. And then I did get the cranberry juice too, because that's just good for your urinary tract and all the things. So yeah, I did get the Rios. I think this is the same Rios. I know Rios has less sugar for one of her recipes. I can't remember what it was for. Marinara sauce. But they did not have the Rios pesto. So I did get this, and let me see. I was hot, y'all, because the movie theater was really hot, and I'm going to have to get one of them fans to put around me. And let's see how much sugar. Is that right? 0 sugar? So I was thinking that might have more sugar, but I got it anyway. I think it's for like a milk. Those ingredients. I was just kind of going based off the screenshots I took on my phone. So I got some shredded lettuce for their tacos. I did get them some pizza because Little Caesar has some deal right now. I don't know if it's still going or not. Fantastic Four, which we'll probably go to the movies to go see that too, because me and my house like DC Comics and Marvel. And so I knew we was gonna go see something we went to go see a couple of weeks ago, or we saw on TV, and we was like, oh, we got 3 movies to go see in July. We already knew this like in May or June. What did we go see? We did see Jurassic World, which was good. But it was something we went to go see before that, and we was like, oh, we got 3 movies to watch in July. Anyway, y'all, they have this Fantastic Four large pizza, and it has like 4 different types of variety pizza. And I was going to order that, and it's about $20 to $24 or whatever. And then especially if I go pick it up, not bad for 3 large pizzas. But I was like, let me just order this, and then we'll add some cheese and pepperoni to it like we always do. So I like the thin crust. The thick crust is really good too, but I just got one of those. So on the Fantastic Four pizza at Little Caesars, it's pepperoni and jalapenos, pepperoni, cheese, or you can get like a meat, and they give you like 2 slices of each. You can take the jalapenos off. So I liked it, but they kind of just rather have pepperoni. So if you want to check that out, yeah, I think the promotion's still going. And then anyway, I got some green peppers. I got some cucumbers. I also got some taco style cheese. I got some mixed peppers. Did I say green peppers? Yeah. And I got that for another recipe that Maya had in her video. I think it was like pita milk or something like that. And that's why I wanted the sourdough bread. I kind of wanted the regular sourdough bread, but I didn't see that. And I know sometimes they don't have that at the store. Yeah, sometimes they don't have it. So I just said everything sourdough bread is fine. Sorry, y'all, I'm out of practice of hauling this stuff. So I'm getting my words mixed up or slow with thinking. Then I got some yellow onions, some mixed cucumbers. I want to make a cucumber salad with that. And then some pepperoni to add and doctor up this pizza. So usually she's going to bring me some Sargento. I think I have some in there from Walmart. But she's going to bring me, no, it might be is it Telemonk cheese or something she's going to bring me from Food Line. Anyway, I add the Sargento mozzarella provolone cheese on here, some more pepperoni, and then I add like that, it's some kind of Flavor God seasoning, pizza seasoning, and it makes it really good. You can add Italian seasoning to it as well if you want, to doctor it up. So I did get some tortillas for their tacos, and then I got low carb for a recipe that I saw that Maya had. I think it was some chicken fajitas. And at Food Line, she's also going to bring me a rotisserie chicken. So I like hard tacos now. I don't like, I don't really care to have tacos with the tortillas anymore. I like hard tacos. Then I got some, ain't nobody stealing. And then this was a substitute because I asked for the grass-fed 1 pound beef or whatever from Aldi, so that was a substitute. And then as well, the turkey bacon Maya had in her video, where she had 3 slices of this and a fried egg, and then also some 80/20 ground beef as well. Okay, y'all, so the Food Line did get here. I only got 10 items, so I got the hot taco seasoning. I need to get a big thing from Aldi. And not from Aldi, from Walmart. And then I tried these. I was Instacarting for someone, and they wanted the cheese and the chicken, or cheese and something. And they were all out of these, but I was like, that's probably pretty good. And then one day I went in there when I wasn't hauling y'all, wasn't showing y'all what I was picking up or getting from the grocery store. And I got these, and these are good in the air fryer. You can put them in probably microwave too. But just watch it in the air fryer because you don't want the pita to get too hard. But they're really a good breakfast. You don't get but 6 in there, y'all. And I think it's like 5 something or maybe 6, 5 something. I did get this Tillamook cheese. And I wanted a really good cheese. And sometimes I get this. People ask for this when I shop Food Line for people for Instacart. And then, trying to make sure my lens is clean. I like these. Walmart does not have these all the time, but I knew Food Line would. So I was trying to do a double order because sometimes when Instacart, when I'm shopping for someone, it'll give me 2 orders, or we can pick 2 orders. I don't like to go to 2 different stores, and but it didn't do that. 2 different people brought this. So anyway, these are really good. The ranch are really good. They substitute last time at Walmart for the ranch, and I think it's the Cool Ranch or something like that. But these are really good. I like these, and I think they're less than points too. And calories and carbs. I did get a family size chicken, and I got this for, I want to say that sourdough is cheese and pesto and something else grill that she makes. In her video, I got some 2% milk. I should have got a whole gallon. I did get some fire sauce for the tacos. And then, oh, let me put this in the air fryer. I wanted to try this. I just saw it pop up on the screen. And then I got some turnip greens. I actually ordered something else, but that was a substitute. And Mama said the pig sweet greens are really good. I don't think collard greens came up, but she said you can get the pig sweet from Harris Teeter. They're really good. You just doctor up just a little bit and it tastes really good. I done said that 3 times. So tomorrow I may cook, or we may eat breakfast somewhere and then cook for dinner. We'll see. I've been wanting some cube steak. I don't cook that all the time. That's one of my favorite meals. And, yeah, after church. So I'm going to pair that with that. Maybe some rice and some rice and cornbread. So I've been trying to track and watch what I've been eating. And that's been working because going down a little bit slow. Because when I got on that scale, I was like, oh, no. Oh, no. No wonder you feel bad. So anyway, y'all, this is it for our haul. And I'm gonna try not to go back to the grocery store for the week, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, bye.